What's up, YouTube? So yesterday I was driving my Camaro around and I got a flat. So I'm gonna show you how to put a tire plug. So I'm using these slime plugs and they come with like drill bit style and everything else is the same. So I'm using a drill, but odds are that the kind of regular kits come with like a T-handle. So you can do all the same things. I'll be using gloves just so I don't get filthy, and get yourself some pliers or something to pull out the culprit. First things first, we do have to lift up the car so we can rotate the tire and try to find out what's in it. Like, you know, it's gonna be a nail or a screw, or sometimes, I don't know, you'll be surprised. And there she goes. Let's pull this bad boy out. What is that, a key? Unlocked all my air. All right, here's the fun part. This part is kind of violent to new time plug installers, but bear with me, okay? Oh my God, that thing is really in there. Okay, we're gonna grab the one, some of them have like a screw bit on them, but most of them just have this etched part like that. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna clean up that hole so we have like a smooth spot for our plug. So like I said, mine's on a drill, but yours could be a T-handle, and what you have to do is make sure you locate the hole. I know that looks gruesome. So now you can just get one of these plugs, and they look all slimy, but they're actually not. They're like more sticky than anything. Yeah, just get you one of those bad boys, and then you're gonna get the tip that looks like this, like a sewing needle, and you're gonna put the plug through the sewing needle. Might have to do this in a cutscene. Cutscene magic. All right, so I ended up kind of like shoving it in there and then using a flathead until I could grab it from the other side. Okay. Now I have to put this back in the drill so I can use the drill as a handle, but I won't be spinning it like I did the other one. So my kit came with plug bond, which honestly, like, I'll be honest with you, I haven't used much whenever I do a plug, and I don't have any sort of problems, but I don't know, it came with it, so let's see what it's all about. Let's put some of it on there. So I pull the battery out of my drill so I don't spin it by accident. You're just gonna kind of find that hole that you just reamed, and you're gonna go in. Sure is tricky with a camera. All right, there you go. And you're gonna pull out really fast. All right, so when you yank it out, you're gonna be left with this, which is totally normal. And all you do is just grab some wire cutters or something and get rid of the slack. Make sure to pump it full of air and verify. All right, doesn't look like anything's leaking there. No air and no visual. You can always spray a little bit of soap and water and see if you get bubbles. All right, guys, I hope that got you patched up. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section. And if you want to see anything next, just let me know.